Did you know a bank's success isn't just about high interest rates or cool apps? It's about what happens when things go wrong. In the world of finance, customer complaints are inevitable. They're a stress test for a bank's true character. Today, we're diving into Poppy Bank, a name often associated with competitive rates, and looking at a crucial part of their operation, how they handle customer complaints and resolve issues. When you look at reviews for almost any bank, you'll find a mix. For Poppy Bank, some users rave about the exceptional rates and friendly in-branch staff, but like many institutions, they also face criticisms, particularly around their online application process and customer service responsiveness. Common complaints often center on delays in account opening, issues with external money transfers, or difficulty connecting with a representative promptly, especially through the general customer service lines. In the digital banking age, these communication bottlenecks can be the most frustrating for customers. So, how does Poppy Bank address these issues? First, they operate on a multi-channel approach. Their primary method for assistance is their dedicated call center, available during business hours and in person at their physical branch locations. For many complex issues, speaking to a representative directly or visiting a branch can be the fastest path to resolution. Beyond direct communication, Poppy Bank is a regulated financial institution. This means customers have formal recourse. If you can't resolve an issue with the bank directly, for example, if a dispute over a fee or a transaction is ongoing, you can elevate the complaint to outside regulatory bodies. Since Poppy Bank is a member of the FDIC, a common step for unresolved issues is to file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB. The CFPB formally tracks these complaints, which encourages the bank to resolve them seriously and transparently. Importantly, reviews suggest that when customers are able to connect with the right person, often a knowledgeable branch employee or a manager, resolution is generally quick and positive. This points to a reliance on personalized service, which is a hallmark of community-style banking. The challenge, as with many growing banks, is maintaining that high level of one-on-one service across all digital platforms and high-volume requests. Ultimately, navigating a complaint with Poppy Bank, or any bank, involves a few key steps. First, always try to resolve it directly with the bank's contact center or branch staff. Document everything: dates, times, names of people you spoke to. If direct resolution fails, your next step is to leverage those external consumer protection agencies like the CFPB. The takeaway? Poppy Bank's strong focus on competitive offerings is often matched by high praise for their personalized service, but new customers should be prepared to be persistent and utilize all available channels, internal and external, to ensure their issues are addressed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.